Better late than never, but never again this late. Commissioner, colleagues, for years many of you sat here watching Gaza burn, debating, condemning, expressing concern, doing absolutely nothing. Watched a genocide and didn't dare to call its name, spoke of principles and delivered none. We failed the Palestinians, we failed the world, we failed the humanity. Recent peace agreement is the title of this debate. A peace for whom? Is there a ceasefire? Or is there, as Francesca Albanese said, you seize, I fire? The mutual hatred between far-right in Israel and Hamas feeds them both, while the innocent paid the price. The role of the EU also in the title. Where is the EU, indeed? Just yesterday, the Commission presented the new Pact for the Mediterranean, preaching stability and security while blatantly favoring the aggressor and just symbolically addressing Palestine. Is that the role we want to play? Watching human rights, humans actually, being erased and the world burn? All violations of the agreement must mean sanctions, isolation, consequences. So just act. Better late than never, but never again this late.